Alright, so this is going to be an Amazon item review. This is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank or portable laptop charger. It can be used for USB and USB-C. Alright, the brand is POIYTL. I don't know how you pronounce that. POIYTL? I don't know. Anyways, this was relatively cheap, 50 bucks. So let's take a look. Okay, they have this sticker tape on top. I don't know if somebody returned it and then they taped it back up, because you can see it got cut, and then there's another sticker on top. I don't know if I can peel this off, so I guess we'll just cut it open. Okay, alright, we're gonna cut this just like that. Hopefully it cut all the way through. There we go. Okay, opens up like that. There's a user manual here. Okay, 20,000 milliamp hours, instruction for use in this English, and you can see, oops, there's the model, XHC-JS12. Okay, you can see the product diagram. There's a USB-C, 2 USB-A's and 2 USB-C's, and then there's an on-off button, right? And then there's a LED thing that shows the percentage of battery remaining. Here's the product name, power bank, all right, JS12 model. 3.7 volts, 20,000 milliamp hours. All right, power indicator, digital display, 0 to 100%. 21700 battery cell, 5,000 milliamp hours times 4. All right, lithium polymer, so it's like those battery flat packs most likely. All right, aluminum alloy and PC polycarbonate. All right, size 5.1 by 3 by 0.98 inches, and the weight is 300 grams. So this is lighter than the other one I have. I just did a review on it. I'll actually show both side by side so you can see once I finish this. Here you can see the input voltage. All right, so you can use input, I guess, on both USB-C ports. I don't know if you can charge both at the same time, but they do show here. Okay, and then they have the output voltages here, output USB voltage here. Okay, you can see it supports like Apple and all these other things. BC 1.2, Apple 2.4a, QC 2.0, Class A, QC 3.0, Class A, FCP, SCP, AFC, 5 volt, 3 amps, a 9 volt 2 amp, and 12 volt 1.5 amp. And then they have the button assist function. So if you press it twice in a row, then it will go into enhanced mode. I don't know what that means. And if you press it 3 times in a row, then it, let's see, force shutdown without equipment connection. So I don't know what that means. Maybe that means if nothing's plugged into it. And if you press it 5 times in a row, you can turn on or offer on the PPS function for certain devices with PPS that cannot be charged. I don't know what that means. Alright, the display will light up the green sign, fast charging mode, when you use the fast charging input output. And then after sales, they have a 24-month warranty. Nice. Okay, mAh one at 163.com. If you have any questions, we will reply to you within 24 hours. And then they have this information: do not expose to liquid, use original or certified brand cables, recharge every 3 months for longer battery life, don't disassemble with their broken, like, misspelling, avoid dropping, avoid using at extreme temperatures, do not touch the interface with metal tools, and due to discharging will lose energy. Finally, it will provide less than 20,000 milliamp hours to your device. Consists of 4 cells with capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours, and faster charging will result in more energy loss. It is a common phenomenon about power bank. Okay, yeah, all right, anyways, it comes in this box like that. We're gonna dump it out. Okay, it looks like it has, oh, I guess it comes out like that, and it looks like it comes with a cable. Right, USB-C to USB-C cable, and it comes in this little baggie. We're just gonna open this up and slide this out. Okay, so this battery pack The outside is metal, like, I guess that's what they said, the aluminum alloy, and then this I think is plastic on the back here, and it looks like this. Okay, so it's at 71% charge already. Okay, let's go ahead and plug this in. So this cable has a rubber band on it to hold it together. All right, we'll set this packaging aside, and I'm going to plug this into my other phone here. And we're going to see, I'm curious, oh, why is it so hard to plug this? Is the cable bad? Okay, it's a little stiff. There we go. Okay, so let's plug this in and see. This is only doing fast charging, 69%. And how long until full? 37 minutes. All right, let's see if I try the other USB-C port. This one is also doing fast charging. Okay, so let's see if double clicking this does anything. Now it just says 69%, 37% minutes until full. Okay, let's try plugging in again. Fast charging. It's just doing fast charging. It's not doing super fast charging. Okay, so I'm gonna, if I do it 5 times, nothing oh, okay. Well, it shows the green dot there, I guess, to say fast charging. If I push it once, it says 71%. Okay, well, I don't know what the double click thingy does. Oh, there. If I did it 5 times, it said that no PPS or whatever. Okay, now it does super fast charging, 2.0, 70%. So you have to press it 5 times fast to get it to go into the fast mode. Wait. I don't know if I did it right. Okay, super fast charging. So I did it 5 times and nothing changed. It's still doing super fast charging. Okay, now PPS is off, and now it just says fast charging. Okay, 36 minutes fast charging. Let's try it again. Oops. It's hard to press it that fast. Okay, now it's on. And now it says 29 minutes, 70%. Okay, 70%, 29 minutes until full. Let's try it again. I think you just keep pushing it until it says it. What is that? It's doing some other stuff after pressing it so many times. What did I just do? I don't know what happened. Okay, now it's on. Super fast charging, 29 minutes until full. Okay. Off. 70%. 35 minutes until full. So charges a little bit faster. My question though is on my phone how it works, because my phone, the one that's recording right now, the case it's in doesn't like charging phones properly for some reason. All right, anyways, let's go ahead and try one of these regular USB cables. And this is doing fast charging, 36 minutes until full. I don't think tapping this several times is going to do anything. Oops. Okay, it's on. And now it's just, oh, it's still doing fast charging, 35 minutes until full. Okay, off. Let's try it again. Fast charging, yeah. Okay, so looks like it works okay. You can charge multiple things at once. This acts as the input as well. So let me see if this does, what do you call, like pass-through charging. Okay, so we're gonna plug this in to charge it. Okay, so now it's saying 69.8% when I plug this in. So if I plug this in, 69.8%. Okay, so we're gonna plug this in, and then we're gonna try and plug this to my phone and see if it still charges. Okay, and let's plug this into the phone, and it's fast charging. Okay, so it's working. Let's see if I tap it 5 times again. Okay, and it's on, and Let's unplug and plug it back in. Now we have super fast charging. So this does allow for pass-through charging as well. Very nice. Okay. So let me show you and compare it to the other charger that I bought before. This one costs much more. So this one, what did I say, was like 40 bucks or something, maybe 40 or 50. Oops. Let me go back to it. $50. Okay, so this was $50. And then the other one I got, okay, let's go to it. Sorry, I bought too many things here. Okay, so this other one here, it's much wider, as you can see. Okay, it's thinner but wider, so it's probably about half the thickness or so. Actually, not quite half the thickness, a little bit more than half. But yeah, it's a lot thinner, but it's a lot wider. So kind of depends on what you want to go with here. Okay, and then this one cost $80, so basically $30 more for this. The main difference here is it can put out more power when you combine the charge ports. But if is that worth $30 more to you? I don't know. The other thing is, I would assume this one is probably, it feels like better build. It looks nicely built. But this one has a 24-month warranty. I think this one's only 1 year. I don't know. It didn't really say, did it? I don't know. So we're gonna compare. And again, I don't know, it's whether it's worth it or not to you. I don't know why this one has the thing where I gotta push the button like multiple times to get it to go into super fast charging mode. This one, it automatically does super fast charging mode. I don't have to do any like fast clicking or anything like that. Warranty card on here. Yeah, so this one is only 12 months warranty. So, depending on what you think, again, I don't know, this one does feel like better quality, but that might not be the case. Never know. And also, this one I think is, according to the label, this one is heavier. I can't really tell, honestly. Okay. And then, of course, this will probably fit in more pockets because it's wider but smaller. So it's kind of like a long wallet. This one is almost becoming like a tablet. But if you're using this with a laptop or something, maybe this wider, flatter surface fits in a laptop bag better. I don't know. It really depends. All right. Both of them do pass-through charging. This one, the instruction manual and all the specs and everything is much more thorough. This one is not. Like this one, it'll even tell you like the output charging voltages and everything here. So they pay attention to a lot of the very fine details. This one doesn't tell you anything here. When you plug this in, it tells you how much voltage, amperage, and whatever is coming out. So you know like how fast your phone is charging, how fast your device is taking away power. It tells you how long it's going to last, how long it's going to take to charge. This one just shows you the battery percentage, and that's it. Obviously this information isn't that critical, like it's not gonna change anything, it's not gonna make your battery last longer or anything, but it does tell you approximately how much more time you have to charge. So depending what's important to you, according to the specs, these are the same amount of power. I'm gonna have to try and test it somehow to see the capacities, and then I can get back to you guys on how long each one lasts. So I'll use one cable on both of them. I'll charge it to 100% both, and then maybe I have to find a USB-C device that somewhat uses a lot of power but doesn't really I don't know how I'll test it but I have to find a USB-C device that kind of uses a lot of power, because I don't know, my phone is not going to use that much power. So anyways, I'm going to charge these both to 100%. Maybe I'll use it to, what can I use it to run? It would help to have like a laptop to do it, but yeah, it's hard to be very consistent with the testing. So I don't know. I'll figure something out. I'll try and find a USB-C device that kind of uses a lot of power, and then just see how long both of them last. The problem is this one I can know for sure how much power's being put out. This one I can't tell. So maybe the best way is to just drain my phone battery several times and recharge it several times and see how long that lasts. The one that's recording has a 10,000 milliamp hour battery in it, though of course it's not that efficient, or it's not that good, and also it has problems charging. I have to use specific cables. I don't know why, it's very sensitive. I can charge it with this cable on this one, but a USB-C to USB-C, it doesn't like it. I don't know why, and I think it might be it needs the original USB-C cable. So I think if I get my original Samsung USB-C cable, it will work. But yeah, as far as that goes, this one comes with this baggie. Not that you really need a baggie, but I guess it will protect this screen because it has this giant screen here. And then this one doesn't come with a bag or anything. It just, well, unless you count the plastic bag, but this one also came with the plastic bag. And then they also both came with cables. This one, I feel, oops. This one, I feel the larger one, I feel the cable is a nicer quality. All right, definitely feels like better quality cable. Let me actually check the length of them too, because I feel like this cable that came with this one is much shorter. Okay, I think on the wide one it's 3 foot 3 inches. This one seems to be like less than 2 feet. Let's see here. So I'm gonna measure this with a measuring tape. And okay, yep, we're at 50, what? I can't even measure this. Sorry, I was looking at the thing. Okay, we're at 20, about 21 inches almost. Okay, so not even quite 2 feet. 21 inches this cable came, and the other one, this one came with 3 foot 3 inches. So much longer cable, nicer quality cable, so you can kind of see where the money comes from, where the price difference comes from. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you guys are curious, feel free to leave a comment below and I will let you know. I'll try and give an update for how long the batteries last. All right, that's it. See you all in the next one. Bye.